Hello, Matthew here from the Porsche Centre in York, and parked beside me we've got this fresh into stock ultraviolet GT3 RS. Now this is the 991.1 iteration of the RS product, very similar to the GT3. We've got 500 horsepower but slightly different. We are rear wheel drive and obviously turbo bodied. So the RS products are as close as you will get to a street legal race car. We've got all sorts of little weight saving tricks like magnesium roof, polycarbonate rear windows, and of course things like your ceramic brakes. You will notice about the RS product that it is actually turbo bodied, so still rear wheel drive but in a turbo body shell with those big air intakes just above the rear wheel arch. Moving further on with aerodynamics, we've got things like the front wing louvers. Now weight saving doesn't stop there, we've even got things like a sticker badge, amongst other things like the full carbon bucket seats on the interior. So let's take a look at that. Now with just under 16,000 miles on the clock, this really is a special car. We've got the full leather package inside with all the contrast stitching in silver. As you can see here, we've got the full carbon 918 bucket seats, again with all the contrast stitching, Alcantara centres and plenty of carbon going around the car. Now spec wise, we've got all the important bits: sports exhaust, front axle lift, PDK Sport for the gearbox, and of course it is the only model to feature the pit speed button. Now, as much as you have got the carbon bucket seats, the rear cage, the ceramic brakes and everything else for track, the car is still compliant and comfortable when you're driving all the way there and all the way back. So not only do you get a car that can go round the Nürburgring, you also get a car that will drive you there and back as well. And for the sub £150,000 price point, I truly do believe that this car represents one of the best value for money all round track, race and daily drivers, should you wish, that money can buy.